In this video, we'll show how to use the CESMII i3X with Prosys Forge. First, download the smart manufacturing profiles from the CESMII website. Next, upload the profile into Prosys Forge. Once uploaded, create instances of the profile objects and link them to your real data sources. You can organize these objects into a logical hierarchy that reflects your real-world assets and processes. After that, your data becomes available through the Prosys Forge i3X Open API, where you can explore all object types and their instances. Finally, connect any i3X compatible client to Prosys Forge and start using your data in your applications. The i3X server is now ready, turning your industrial data into a scalable, reusable foundation for applications and AI.